Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Dogecoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. So let's see what's happened with Doge for this day. Of course, we already see higher prices. We have a very high intensive bullish scenario for Dogecoin. We're gonna see what happened, of course, but first in the history here we are looking for a wave A or a wave 1, of course, after an impulse. In both case scenario, you would like to have three corrective waves where we got a WXY finishing a wave B or a wave 2. By all meaning, if you are in a wave B, it means A, B, and a C as a zigzag towards the upside. Your wave C towards the upside should be a 1, a 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Basically, it should, of course, reach the 1-to-1 fib level. Therefore, I think that we are still even in 1-2, 1-2 here, then 3, 4, 5 for Dogecoin, where we might possibly reach the 1-to-1 fib level at $32.5. Now, in that case scenario, of course, I would say, yeah, I'm gonna extend this already because it is a very possible scenario that we reach this, and we are here, of course, in a bigger scenario for several 1-2s. We're gonna get to it on the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, we are looking here at those several 1-2s. Now, as you can see, we have the first 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 again, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3 in the yellow scenario, finished, of course, and then 4, 5 finishing as well your wave 3 in the orange scenario. By all means, we have finished 1, 2, 3, and then 4 in the orange scenario as well, finished at 0.38 fib level perfectly after the fib time required, of course, which is the double time at least for a wave 2 here. So that's very nice to see the time even respected, as well as for the fib level has a perfect 100% hit it at 0.38 fib level. Now, after this, of course, we are looking for higher prices. We saw, of course, here kind of a triangle in the beginning, but this is not a triangle actually because it went higher. And that means this is a 1, 2. Now your wave 2 is a W and then X and a Y again as a triangle here, looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5. So basically we are continuing towards the upside. By all meaning, this impulse has, of course, been invalidated. That's awesome. We are looking again for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, this is your wave 3 top here. You're looking at your finished wave 4, probably because yeah, your wave 4 might range longer because your wave 2 is very long in time, by the way. So preferably that, yeah, it might, of course, move still, of course, toward the downside and then moving for higher prices. Yeah, so this is the prediction for Dogecoin. I think higher prices are still very possible. The targets, let us not forget the targets. So if we are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, your wave 3 should be even higher than this. In case we get just this a very low target, let me check wave 3 impulsive. Here we go. Yeah, basically your wave 3 should reach higher, to be honest. So I think I'm still expecting this. I think I'm still expecting higher prices to reach the 0.48 fib level for a wave 3 possibly, or at least the uncommon target at 0.44 for Dogecoin. In case that this did not happen, and in case, let me check if we just yeah, we didn't touch even the 1-to-1 fib level. So yeah, interesting. So if we get here, this is your bearish scenario, guys. If we get here in a zigzag, reaching only the 1-to-1 fib level, finishing this as a wave C, that means A, B, and a C. This might transform, of course, to a zigzag where we have here 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again toward the downside. And that means, what does it mean? It means that your wave 4 in the orange scenario did not finish yet. All right. So yeah, so this is your bearish scenario, guys. Preferably that we reach, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level first. In case we overshoot, that would be perfect. This will be the way to your wave 3. If we move towards the downside impulsively, meaning if you see 5 waves towards the downside, 3 waves up, continuation towards the downside, breaking this level means we are a bearish. Bearish correction, of course, short term. So yeah, was for Dogecoin. Sorry. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.